Go. Go.
Danku, thank you very much for the pink super chat. IRyS, a few weeks ago I made a whip picture of FridgeRyS. In the meanwhile, FridgeRyS has been completed and I recorded a short video to display it. Would be super happy you could watch it. Woo! FridgeRyS is the one that I retweeted once, right? Wait, that wasn't completed yet? I could watch it. You know what? I'll just watch it now. Wait. It's such a cute fridge! It's such a cute fridge! Carbonated love! When did I say that? That was a long time ago. Such a song does not exist, sadly. Whoa! Yeah! Whoa! Oh, the cat is so cute! Neko kawaii! And there's actually Hope Soda in there. Oh my god. Oh, it's so nice! That's such a nice fridge! Damn, that's dope! Oh, you even have... Oh, you got the Dokomi card. A nice jacket. Oh, that's so cool! That is so cool. That's Pog, man. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. That is so cool. Thank you for sharing.